The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 36. We're not asked to find the numbers. Even numbers, there are numbers like 2, 4, 6, whatever. So let the numbers be, let the first number be x plus the second one will be x plus 2, and the third one will be x plus 4. The fourth one will be x plus 6, and it goes. But this one, they say they are 3. This, and what did they say the sum is 36. So from here, how many x do you have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3x plus 2 plus 4, 6 equals to 36. So we are getting a simple linear equation. So 36 will be equals to 3x will be equals to 36 minus 6. So 3x will be equals to 30. So divide that by 3 to get our x, this and this. So x will be equals to 30 over 3, which is equals to 10. The value of x is 10. So the numbers here now are, the first number is x is 10. So we say x. The second one, x plus 2. That is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. The third one will be 10 plus 4. So the numbers now are, instead of 10, I put x. That is 10. So we have 10, 12, and 14. So these are the 3 consecutive numbers. That is 10, 12, 14. And if you add them now, you're going to get 36. That is the project function. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the class.